our public prosecutors have a responsibility as well. And far too often we hear that there was no finding of criminality, but we are calling upon the district attorney, Cy Vance, and other DAs in the city to view their responsibility as a matter of preventing traffic tragedy and helping set a stage for where we need to go. We know that in the past, drunk driving was accepted. The saying of having one to go was to have a drink before you actually got into a car and drove. And as a result of that, 30,000 people died on our city streets of from drunk driving, being hit by drunk drivers in every single year in the early 80s. But because we changed the culture, that is no longer the case. And part of changing that culture of making drunk driving unacceptable were prosecutors, district attorneys, who used their place of speaking to the public to reprimand and publicly admonish drunk driving. And we need to see the same thing happen for any type of dangerous driving, whether you veer into a bike lane or drive recklessly in other ways. The DAs can help push the bar for what is unacceptable, and we need the district attorneys to publicly admonish dangerous driving, and we need them to pursue in court with their prosecutorial powers ways to address this and to push the envelope within the legal system. So definitely encourage them.